Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to stay active without going to the gym, especially while working from home or living in a small space, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best treadmills of 2026, specifically walking pads and under-desk treadmills that are compact, powerful, and perfect for home or office use. We'll cover key features, real-world performance, pros and cons, and help you decide which treadmill fits your lifestyle best. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Walking Pad Treadmill with Incline, 2.5 HP, 265-pound capacity. This first treadmill is a great entry-level walking pad designed for home offices and casual daily exercise. 2.5 HP motor for smooth walking and light jogging, built-in incline for added calorie burn, 265 pounds weight capacity, slim, portable design for under-desk use, LED display and remote control. This walking pad is ideal if you want to stay active while working. The incline adds intensity without increasing speed, making it excellent for fat burning and cardiovascular health. It runs quietly and fits easily under most desks or beds. Pros: compact and lightweight. Incline feature at this price is impressive. Quiet motor for office use. Easy to store and move. Cons: not designed for running. Smaller belts compared to full treadmills. A solid choice for beginners and remote workers who want simple, effective daily movement. Number 2. Walking Pad Treadmill with Incline, 340-pound capacity, 4-in-1. This next model is a more heavy-duty walking pad with higher weight support and versatile usage modes. 4-in-1 design, walking, jogging, underdesk, incline mode. Strong frame with 340-pound capacity, large LED display, remote control included. This model stands out because of its stability and durability. The walking surface feels more secure, making it ideal for heavier users or longer workout sessions. It transitions smoothly between desk walking and traditional treadmill use. Pros: high weight capacity, stable and sturdy build, large, easy-to-read display, good for shared household use. Cons: slightly heavier than basic walking pads, takes more space when stored. A great option if you want a strong, reliable treadmill that can handle daily use from multiple users. Number 3. Rayspace Foldable Treadmill, 3.5 HP, 10% incline. This is a powerful upgrade for users who want more performance without a full gym treadmill. 3.5 HP low-noise motor, 10% incline for intense workouts, foldable design with handlebar, app connectivity plus remote control, 350 pounds weight capacity. The Rayspace treadmill delivers excellent performance for walking, jogging, and light running. The incline combined with app tracking makes it perfect for users focused on fitness goals. Despite the power, it stays surprisingly quiet. Pros: powerful motor, app support for workout tracking, high incline level, strong weight capacity. Cons: higher price point, larger footprint than walking pads. Perfect for serious home users who want gym-like features in a compact form. Number 4. 3-in-1 Underdesk Treadmill with Desk Workstation. This treadmill is built for productivity and fitness combined. 3-in-1 design, walking, jogging, desk work mode. Removable desk attachment, 3.5 HP motor, wristband remote control, foldable compact frame. What makes this treadmill unique is the integrated desk. You can walk while typing, reading, or attending meetings. It's ideal for people who spend long hours sitting and want to stay active without interrupting work. Pros: integrated desk workstation, strong motor, easy speed control, space-saving design. Cons: desk may feel small for some setups, not designed for fast running. An excellent solution for professionals who want maximum productivity with daily movement. Number 5. Walking pad with handlebar and hiking mode, 3-in-1. Last on our list is a treadmill focused on comfort, stability, and incline walking. 2.5 HP low-noise motor, handlebar for extra balance, hiking mode with incline, LED display and remote control. Portable and compact. This model is ideal for beginners, seniors, or anyone who prefers added support while walking. The hiking mode adds resistance without increasing speed, making workouts more effective and joint-friendly. Pros: handlebar improves safety, quiet operation, easy to move and store, beginner-friendly. Cons: limited speed range, not for running. A great treadmill for steady walking, rehab, or low-impact fitness routines. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best treadmills of 2026. All product links are in the description below. Check them out for the latest prices and deals. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fitness and home tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.